Oh, I'm hungry. Maybe I should make a really delicious cake.
I think I should take a shower first because I've just been working overtime. First of all, I put on a mask and then I shower. And I want to change clothes. Chess guys, I want to take a shower.
Haha, this is very refreshing. I want to wipe my face. I've finished taking a shower and I want to look at the recipe book. Wow, this is very interesting, this cake. I will make this cake cherry cake and I want to see the others first. And I have decided to make a very delicious cherry cake. And I want to change clothes first, then I go to the kitchen. Finally, these ingredients are ready. I can cook. Let's cook a very delicious cake that tastes of cherry. First of all, we take natural cow's milk and we take cherry powder, which can be called jam. Then we mix it and we put it in the oven and wait for 7 minutes, friends. Najita mixes first. Donnie then mixes it. Then we take a wok pan so it can be called for the oven. Okay. Then we just pour it in. Then we wait. Let's pour the pot for the oven. Let's put it in the oven. Good morning at 07 o'clock. I'm waiting while watching TV, friends, and we'll just watch. It looks like it will be cooked because the oven is already making a sound. Friends, let's take it. Oh, the result is very surprising and it is very interesting and very tasty, I think. I want to take the cream plastic and let's just put it on the cake so it's delicious. Look, this is very wide, guys, and ready to eat. So that it is more delicious and we eat and drink using very interesting tea. So that's all for cooking. If you want part 2 or want to make anything, check the comments column and if it gets 100 likes, I'll make it again, okay?